Hello to everyone. I have just been filming the first part of the mini album I'm making, and I get halfway through it and then I think, oh, I must remember about the 2,000 plus subscribers, and then it got to the end and I thought I'd do this one first because this one won't take as long to upload. And I thought what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 10 names in a hat. Put your name in, your name that you want to enter and what country you're in. It doesn't matter if you live I will post it anywhere. I have no problems at all posting to America, Canada, Australia. I have no problems with that at all. And no restrictions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away some stamp sets, some dies. I'm just going to give you a quick look at what I'm doing now, and I shall be putting some other bits together. I might actually put some card kits together, which are the base card, the layer card, and then do some die cutting and send it off to some as well, just as a thank you. Right, so these are what I use to sew. I have a great big binder of all the sewing ones available, and on occasion it seems that I might have got the same ones. That is, I know that looks naff, but when it's done, it is actually really nice. It cuts it out of the thing, it cuts it out and leaves the paper. You know, it doesn't cut out that object, it just cuts that out of the paper. You know what I mean? There's a very Art Deco, that would be wonderful. And I'm throwing in some boxes as well. I know how to make my own boxes, so why I got them in the first place. This is actually really nice as well. If you like the Eastern Palace, it's along the same lines. This one can be a bit tricky, but that will actually cut those out so you can turn it up. Very Eastern Palace like. Ovals with some of those in. Now they're ever so pretty. They're like got flowers that leave little dots in. These are all the rage at the moment, the rounded corner ones. I actually got another set of those. These don't look anything, but they're so sweet. Obviously they're stitched. Got two of those, so that one's going in. They are lovely. They really are. There is another very detailed. It has a centre there, and you can either have that left in the card, or you can actually use the outside to cut it out, because again that cuts it out of the card, and you use the outer die if you want to remove it from the card. So here is a little sample of what is going into the hat. Now, as you can see, there's more than 10 things there. Depending on how well it all goes, I might do more. More will be added, but if I am sending to Canada or somewhere, Australia, then I'm not necessarily going to be sending bulky great big items. I will send some dies. Everyone has the same chance, and I would never ever exclude anyone because they're not in this country. I've got some sentiments which I will sort out. This is where I keep a lot of my sentiments. I don't get them everywhere. So I've got lots and lots. lots and lots, which I will sort some out. You see, these would be ideal for most people, but they're too fiddly for me. So those could actually go in as a prize. They're the Stampin' Up ones. Because I've got ones that are so similar, it seems a shame. I'm more than happy to send those out as well, because it just seems a shame that I don't use them because I've got similar ones. Yeah, so there's going to be a bit of everything in. The Stampin' Up stamp sets I will post out. Now, I have got lots of those, and a lot of them that I've never used, so I probably will send the ones that I've never used. But if someone has one that they specifically love, and I've used it, then they're more than welcome to it. So, do you want to be included into my 22,000 subscribers? And do you want to win it? There's no catch on this. There really is no catch. I know a lot of people say, right, where's the catch? Because no one gives something away for nothing. Well, I am. I really am. I'm not. I get nothing out of it but the satisfaction of knowing that someone else is going to get some enjoyment. Some of my cards, my card packs, do have some rather interesting die cuts in. So I might send some of those out as well. Right, so I'm going to upload this now, and then I'm also going to be uploading the first part of the mini album. I'm sorry that I seem a bit vague today. My patch is discharging something wicked. I have a temperature, so it makes my thought process slightly shaky. Right, so I will also be giving some of these, and can you believe it, I shall be giving away some Stampin' Up ones that I just never used, but I just had to buy more. What's that? These come with my Gemini. Yeah, so some of these will be thrown in as well. There was a 3D one, you know, the ones that are supposed to give you the real thick cuts. You see, I'm not fussed on that one. And what was the other one? No, it was just that. I shouldn't say I'm not fussed with it. I don't use it. That sounded very rude to say I'm not fussed with it. It's not something I can use, and if someone else can put it to good use, good for them. Right, so here's just a little selection of, you don't want a bag anyway. I'll get a nice proper one. These are just going to be some of the bits that are going into a bag for my lovely subscribers. So, I will get this uploaded. Hopefully, we'll get a reaction and people will want to be submitted. If there is something particular you are loving, pop it in the comments, because if I pull your name out, then you can put what you'd like first or maybe second, or because then that gives me more information to work with, so I can make sure that someone's getting something that they want. Right, so I'm going to upload this now. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Sorry if I have been a bit vague. Hopefully my previous tutorial wasn't too bad, but if it is, I am sorry. But unfortunately, when I have a temperature, my fentanyl discharges and it makes me slightly woozy. But hopefully we're not too bad. I have made another album, but like I say, this one's slightly different. So I don't think you'll be confused. I think I done it. I think I got enough across that it was okay. It just seemed from my end to be very vague. Hopefully not for you. Right, so pop your name down there. Say if you want to be entered, and if you did, what would you like? I will be adding more to the pile, to be honest, and when I've finished the next tutorial, which will be the decorating of the album, I'll show you what else I've put in, and it will close at the end of this month. So, and then we will get them sent out. So it's quite exciting. Right, thank you to all my lovely subscribers. I know it sounds really pat, but I really do appreciate every one of you, and this is just a small way of showing you how much you all mean to me with your lovely comments and your support. So I will say goodbye for now, and it's probably going to take a little while to add up the other tutorial. Have a lovely evening. Bye bye.